Welcome to AmigoTours. In this video, we explain how to get to Hiroshima from Kyoto by bullet train. You will receive a QR ticket to access the station. Enter through any entrance and follow these blue signs for the Shinkansen line. When you get to the entrance line, you will need to scan your QR ticket specially in this code reader. Once scanned, take your physical ticket as another voucher. As you enter, identify on the screens the next destinations to Hiroshima, either direct or as a stop for another destination. Continue in the Shinkansen direction. Check the track and car number with destination Hiroshima. Proceed to the indicated track. Remember that your ticket is a non-reserved seat type, so you can only use car number 1, 2, and sometimes 3. Wait for the train to arrive. When you entered, select the seat you find available and enjoy your ride to Hiroshima. Once you arrive in Hiroshima, head towards the exit following the signs. To exit, you will need to scan your QR code again at the specific readers. Go to the north exit to the special tour bus area. Follow the bus signs. When you arrive at this area, our bus and guide will be waiting for you to start the tour. Relax during the ride and enjoy a day full of magical places.